Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Mastering Python Network Programming, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages for network programming due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering Python network programming opens up a world of possibilities for building robust network applications, protocols, and services. In this tutorial, we'll explore the best book for mastering Python network programming, along with code examples to get you started. Book recommendation: Python Network Programming Cookbook by Pradeeban Kathiravelu and Dr. Faruque Sarker is an excellent resource for mastering Python network programming. This book provides a practical, hands-on approach to learning network programming concepts using Python. It covers a wide range of topics, including socket programming, web scraping, working with HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and more. Chapter Overview. Code Examples. Let's dive into some code examples from the book to demonstrate Python network programming concepts. Conclusion. Mastering Python network programming is essential for building efficient and scalable network applications. The recommended book, Python Network Programming Cookbook, provides comprehensive coverage of essential concepts and practical examples to help you become proficient in Python network programming. By following along with the code examples and experimenting with your projects, you'll gain the skills needed to develop powerful network applications using Python. ChatGPT.